For fitting an older child rear facing, we'll have to remove the head insert and body insert. These are for infants between 5 and 11 pounds. Our next step is to loosen the harness and retain using the buckle holders. So for fitting in a child rear facing, we're going to make sure that she's seated all the way back, flat against the seat. You're going to have to raise up the headrest. You're going to buckle the harness and remove all of the slack from around her waist. Pull up on the adjustment strap to get that snug. You're going to want to close this chest clip, make sure it's at her armpit level. You want the harness to be at or below her shoulders. And then the last step is to just check to make sure you can't pinch any webbing at the shoulder. Always make sure to read and refer to your instruction manual. If you have additional questions on how to install your RAVA car seat, please reach out to our consumer service team. Thank you for choosing Nuna.